I'm Stian Krokkedug. I'm a Norwegian student, second year. I'm working in technical production. I'm 17 and I chose that line of work because I really like making stuff. It makes me feel practical. I really like handwork and even theory. Planning something and seeing how close to my planned goal I can get. My different deployments have been focused on variety, so I've been working from CNC machines, welding, composites, manufacturing, almost everything, as I really like to have a broad spectrum of competence and experience from all different fields. And I find that being on deployment and being at the different firms really shows you how it's actually gonna be when you go out to work. Not just school preparation, but also to show you how all the other people have it and how it might have been for you to work in a similar area. Well, I've experienced a lot of different things. In the first category here, or the first department, I was working with assembling the machines. So I was learning a lot about the last preparations. Then I was over at manufacturing, where they assemble the sub-parts, the smaller parts. Then I learned also about preparation, what went into making the parts ready to fit together, in what order, what was important to take care of, what to be really precise with. And last week I was over at the grinding department, where we were making a lot of the smooth surfaces and a lot of the really high tolerance parts. I even got the chance to operate the CNC machine, checking tolerances, seeing if it was all right, and changing pieces. Fermat has like really precise parts down to the micron, and at my school we don't work that precise. It's like hip hop, like yeah, it works, you know. But when you're making a product for someone, you have to be really precise, and maybe the attention to detail and being sure that what you do is correct and not letting anything else work. That's probably what surprised me the most, like how dedicated and how well educated the workers were. Well, I would say the best thing was the CNC expertise. I doubt anyone else than the CNC manufacturer know anything more about CNC machines than you guys. So I really learned a lot about CNC machines and how they're manufactured, where the really important aspects of the machine are. Well, the workers were really open and accepting, and it seemed like a lot of them were really understandable to me, not speaking Czechish especially. I find that generally they're really good at explaining, and if I maybe don't understand it the first time, they don't give up, but they persist and really help me understand even though I didn't understand it the first time. I really got a good impression of the workers here, and it seems like they are friends. Everyone is friends, they speak with each other, and it seems like if someone has a problem with something, people don't hesitate to help each other out. I really think that in my future I'm going to be operating CNC machines, maybe not cutting steel or making the machines. I really think that there's a lot of hope for composite CNC. So I'm thinking that when I get back to Norway, I'm going to work for a different firm that does CNC machining. So CNC machining. I would obviously say thank you for the learning and the great hospitality they showed me. I really had a great time, and I would honestly recommend this place for anyone in my class looking for somewhere to go on deployment, and especially those people I spoke to. Really nice people.